All right, we have Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Pixel 7 Pro. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And in today's video we have a case from Supcase, the Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Too many pros, so obviously that means I'm a pro. So without further ado, you've seen the typical packaging from Supcase, very typical packaging. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Unicorn Beetle Pro case. Now this does come with a belt holster, so if you like rocking that belt holster, go ahead and do it. It also serves as a stand. I think you can lock this place or something like that, but this is the belt holster. Let's go ahead and put this aside. It does come with a built-in screen protector. Let's go ahead and remove that. Now you do have a space here for the fingerprint reader. I do have a screen protector, a film type screen protector from Whitestone Dome currently installed. Let's go ahead and place this here. I don't know if it's gonna, I think you got to remove the little film part from the inside here. Go ahead and remove it. I don't know why they will make you remove it from there, but let's see if it unlocks it. Let's go ahead and place this in here. Nice. Work it around, and it does work even with a double screen protector. It kind of does it does its thing. So let's take a quick look at this device here. Very nice, very rugged. You do have a built-in kickstand, so you are going to be able to go ahead and rock it like that, or in portrait mode. Bam, landscape, bam, enjoy some Gadget Beard videos. Very nice. You do got excellent protection there at the back, so the the camera lenses are not getting scratched. You do have lip protection all the way around, full 360 on this device. You're not going to scratch your phone if you lay it face down on a flat surface, or on its back it's not going to be scratched. Very, very nice feeling device here. Case device adds a good amount of heft here, but it is giving you that protection needed. You do have Supcase logo there on the bottom right hand corner. You got grit all the way around. Your buttons are 100% covered, nice and tactile, very responsive. The bottom cutouts are nice and precise. You do have a cover port here for your Type-C charging port there, so you can go ahead and cover it to prevent any lint or dirt getting in there and damaging your charging point. Now the cutout on top for the mic, also nice and precise. Nothing on the left side of the phone. Now does this wirelessly charge through the case? Let me grab my wireless charger here real quick, turn this bad boy on, and let's see if it wirelessly charges through the case. I gotta find it, and there you go. It wirelessly charges through the case with no issues. There you have it, guys. Link to this product will be in the description of the video. Bam. If you have any questions regarding the Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Pixel 7 Pro, hit me up in the comment section below and I'll answer any questions as much as I can to the best of my ability. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.